Today we're going to take a look at some of useful, cool, smart gadgets on the market for this year. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started.
Number 1. Outlery Portable and Reusable Stainless Steel Travel Cutlery Set. The Outlery Portable and Reusable Stainless Steel Travel Cutlery Set in raw silver is an innovative solution for eco-conscious individuals who want a practical and sustainable alternative to disposable cutlery. Designed with convenience and durability in mind, this travel cutlery set is perfect for various outdoor activities and everyday use. Compact and portable, the Outlery Cutlery Set is pocket-sized, measuring only 8.1 centimeters x 6.4 centimeters 3.2 x to 0.5 inches when packed in its travel case. Number 2. GPSMAP 66i. The GPSMAP 66i by Garmin is a high-performance GPS handheld and satellite communicator designed for outdoor adventures. With a combination of precise navigation and global communication capabilities, this rugged device ensures you can explore with confidence and stay connected no matter where you are. Rugged and reliable, the GPSMAP 66i is built to withstand the harshest conditions, ensuring durability and reliability in any environment. Its button-operated interface makes it easy to use, even in challenging situations. Interactive SOS alerts. In an emergency, you can send interactive SOS alerts globally. This feature provides peace of mind, knowing help is always within reach. Two-way messaging. Stay connected with family and friends through two-way messaging, no matter where your adventures take you. This ensures you can communicate important information or simply check in with loved ones. Location tracking and sharing. Let others know your exact location with tracking and sharing capabilities. This feature is perfect for keeping loved ones informed of your whereabouts and ensuring your safety. Detailed topographic maps. Navigate confidently with preloaded topographic maps of the US and Canada. These maps offer detailed terrain information, helping you to plan your route and understand the landscape. Subscription-free maps. Enjoy detailed maps without the need for a subscription, saving you money and providing easy access to essential navigation information. Long battery life. The GPSMAP 66i boasts an impressive battery life, with up to 35 hours in tracking mode and up to 200 hours in expedition mode. This ensures you can stay out longer without worrying about losing power. The Garmin GPSMAP 66i is an essential tool for adventurers seeking reliable navigation and communication. Its rugged design, coupled with advanced features like interactive SOS alerts, two-way messaging, and detailed topographic maps, makes it an invaluable companion. Number 3. To Lockhart Tactical 1-GA STATAS Gen 2. The Lockhart Tactical 1-GA STATAS Gen 2 is a cutting-edge Sentry tactical automatic trip alarm system designed to enhance security and situational awareness in various scenarios. Whether you're camping, hiking, boating, or protecting your property, the STATAS offers reliable and versatile solutions. Versatile deployment. The STATAS can be deployed both as a trip alarm and manually. It's compact enough to fit in small pockets and can be quickly deployed to fire emergency flares or bear bangers, making it a versatile tool for various emergency situations. Emergency deployment. To prepare the STATAS for emergency use, simply insert a compatible flare or bear banger, point it away from your body, and pull down on the attached pull ring. Once the launching spring is fully compressed, release the ring, and the STATAS will activate automatically. Tripwire deployment. For setting up a perimeter, ensure the STATAS is unloaded. Connect the tripwire at the appropriate height to detect the presence of animals or intruders. Number 4. Titan SurvivorSteel Ferrocerium Fire Starter V2.0. Efficient fire starting. The Titan SurvivorSteel Ferro Rod is engineered to start fires quickly, even in wet conditions. By scraping the fire starter with the back of your knife, you can produce 3,000-degree sparks to ignite your tinder, ensuring you generate roaring fires rapidly. The Ferro Rod is guaranteed to spark more than 12,000 times, offering long-lasting reliability. Survivor Cord Handle. The handle of the SurvivorSteel is woven with 9 feet of Titan's patent-pending Survivor Cord, which includes mil-spec 550 paracord, snare wire, fishing line, and wax jute. This integrated cord provides quick access to essential survival materials, enhancing the versatility of the fire starter. Emergency whistle. Attached to the waterproof SurvivorSteel handle is a high-decibel emergency whistle. This lightweight, compact whistle delivers a clear, loud sound, making it a crucial tool for signaling in survival situations. Innovative design. Number 5. Geyser System Portable Shower and Cleaning Kit. The Geyser System Portable Shower and Cleaning Kit is an innovative solution for camping, overlanding, and outdoor recreation. Designed for water efficiency and versatile cleaning, this system allows you to stay clean and maintain your gear with minimal water usage. Water conservation. The Geyser system uses up to 10 times less water than a standard camp shower, promoting water conservation while ensuring you have enough water for showering, washing dishes, and cleaning gear off the grid. Adjustable flow valve. The adjustable flow valve provides precise control over water pressure. This feature allows you to conserve water when needed or use a high-pressure blast for cleaning muddy gear. The system adjusts to your needs, delivering water as fast as you require. Reusable scrub sponge. The included scrub sponge has a core side for tough cleaning tasks like dirty dishes and a soft side gentle enough for skin. The sponges come in 3 colors, allowing you to designate each for different cleaning purposes, ensuring hygiene and convenience. Manual heating option. While this model does not include a built-in heater, you can achieve a warm shower by mixing 2 liters of cold water with 1 liter of boiling water from your camp stove. Number 6. SOG Multitool Belt Buckle. The SOG Multitool Belt Buckle, Sync 2 is an innovative and practical gadget designed for the modern man. Combining style with functionality, this EDC tool integrates seamlessly into your daily attire, providing a versatile solution for various tasks. Tactical Belt Buckle Multitools. Crafted from durable 5C or 15M OV stainless steel, this compact multi-tool includes a variety of essential tools such as pliers, a survival knife, and more. Ideal for men who appreciate practical and cool gadgets. Compact and versatile, measuring just 3.1 inches, this mini multi-tool fits belts up to 1 3/4 inches wide. It features a straight blade, gripper, crimpers, screwdrivers, file, ruler, scissors, and wire cutter, making it perfect for camping, fishing, and everyday use. Wearable and discreet, the SOG Sync 2 can be worn as a belt buckle, allowing easy access to your tools without drawing attention. The multi-tool knife and kit are designed for quick access without engaging the pliers. Secure and reliable, this multi-tool locks securely into place when not in use, ensuring it stays put. It's an excellent travel, fishing, and scout gadget, making it a perfect gift for men who have everything. Lifetime guarantee. SOG stands by its products, offering repairs and replacements for properly maintained gear, ensuring your multi-tool remains reliable for life. The SOG Multi-Tool Belt Buckle, Sync 2 is an essential gadget for any man looking for a compact, wearable, and functional tool. Its robust design, combined with a variety of tools, makes it a versatile addition to your EDC kit. Whether you're camping, fishing, or just tackling daily tasks, this multi-tool is designed to meet your needs with style and efficiency. Number 7. DYNAYAK N35. The DYNAYAK N35 stands out as the world's first waterproof portable power station, designed to provide reliable power in the most severe outdoor conditions. From extreme temperatures to high altitudes, the N35 meets the needs of adventurers, campers, and professionals working in challenging environments. Extreme temperature resistance. The N35 is engineered to perform in temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. It can also function at altitudes over 5,000 meters above sea level, making it suitable for a wide range of environments. Innovative waterproof design. With an IP67 rating, the N35 is both waterproof and dustproof, ensuring it remains functional even when submerged in water. This makes it an excellent choice for use in rain, snow, wind, or dust storms. Durable construction. The N35 features a rugged industrial design with a strengthened metal casing coated with anti-corrosion material. The wooden handles provide a comfortable grip, and the integrated cooling shell design ensures effective temperature control through free convection cooling and partition thermal control.
Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.